It Go Diet station. I want to start off by saying welcome. It is day 5, Smoothie 4, and it's called the Tireless Smoothie. The Tireless Smoothie. Trust me, if there is a day where I am tired and have a lot going on with work and just having a busy life, today's the day. But you know what? I'm glad to be here because you can't quit. Don't let things get in the way. Try to let go of everything, even if it is for 10 minutes, so you can prepare a dish that will nourish your body and benefit you. So this is the Tireless Smoothie. Let's go through the recipes. It's 1 banana frozen, a 1/4 cup of strawberries and blueberries frozen, a 1/4 cup of carrots, a tablespoon of chia seeds packed with nutrients, a 1/2 tablespoon of carob powder. I have a carob paste, 1 scoop of a vegan plant-based protein, and 1 cup of almond milk, and optional a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of water if you need it. I'll add in some ice. A recipe tip: vegan or vegetable-based protein powders are similar to other fitness training protein powders, just plant-based and high in protein. And the nutritional tidbit is easy this week. If you freeze your bananas, they can last up to a month or 2 versus sitting out on the shelf. Just make sure you peel them first. So it calls for 1 banana, a 1/4 cup of strawberries, 1/4 cup of blueberries, and I'm really looking forward to today's smoothie. It's been a real busy day. I did eat the leftover ZLT, but I was only able to eat 1/2 of the portion. I'm just that busy today. Keep going with it. Don't quit. 1/4 cup of carrots, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a 1/2 tablespoon of carob powder. Again, I am using a carob paste. It's only 1/2 of a tablespoon, so it's not very much. A tablespoon of the chia seeds, one scoop of vegan plant-based protein powder. I said earlier on I'm sticking with my hemp protein all the way through. And 1 scoop of that. A cup of almond milk. If needed, I will add in a 1/4 of a cup to a 1/2 a cup of water. Next, I'm going to add in the ice because I like my smoothies extra cold. Always make sure you wet, have the lid on, and let's give it a whirl. After you stop blending, give it a moment to settle in. As always, I like to do a taste on video. Looks delicious. Dark purple. Wonderful. I would have added a few more, maybe 3 or 4 more ice cubes to make it ice cold. Other than that, it's delicious. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and do a thumbs up that you like the video, and I'll see you soon. Let it go diet.